I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking or subscribing. So first, you want to go to google.com or any Google service where you sign in. And then you want to click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. And then from here, click Manage Your Google Account. So now you want to go to Data and Privacy. And then in Data and Privacy, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Delete Your Google Account. So now it'll ask you to sign in. So after you sign in, you'll end up on this page. And first, you'll have the option to download all of your data from here. And then make sure you read everything that's on this page. It's very important. And then it'll show you some information here. And basically, Google is telling you that once you delete your Google account, you'll lose everything associated with it. And if you have other accounts that were signed up with your Gmail or Google account, then if you try and change the password to those accounts, or if you lose access, you won't be able to use your Google account to get back in. And then once you're down here, you want to make sure you check both of these after you agree with it, and then press delete account.